Well, a fairly busy day. Crude futures today. WTI touches 2.5-year highs, starting with a lot of OPEC talk, or OPEC news flow, as it were. Seems the market's a little bit worried that they will not boost production as fast as we had hoped. They did talk today about boosting July, but really no talk beyond that. There's also some puts and takes in the news flow with regards to certain members not in any hurry to boost production, and they'll see it or they'll believe it when they see it, as it were. And so to start it with a real tailwind and going into the U.S. economic data and news flow, also fairly supportive. First, we had IEA Director Burrell talk about the gap between supply and demand that may widen oil and may face further upward pressure. So combine that with May ISM manufacturing report that rose 0.5 percentage point, much stronger than expectations. And also we're looking at new news of the 7-day average of new U.S. COVID cases have fallen to a 14-month low. And lastly, Vortexa talks about stationary floating storage at the lowest level that they've seen in about 4 months. So a lot of supportive talk. Going into options, looking at the CME Group CVOL, looking at the curve on a 1-week basis, about the 80th percentile. Compared to a 1-month basis, we're trading around the 60th percentile. Both call wing and put wing, up variance, down variance, are both up big, although skew is flat because they're both up equally. And believe it or not, at the money vol, basically flat on the day. The biggest volume seems to be centered around July 66 and 67 put, also July 68 call.